Well, hello to Divine Community. I'm Betty, your energy healer. I'd like to start your day off today with positive healing energy. So let's start off with our attitude of gratitude. I hope everybody's doing great. All right. Have an attitude of gratitude. There's so many wonderful things for us to be grateful for. Okay, I have an attitude of gratitude for the good health and my beautiful body. Woo, I am beautiful. All right. I have an attitude of gratitude for the many social groups in my life, including my family, my friends, and my co-workers. Very good. Yes. I have an attitude of gratitude for the sunshine that warms my body and soul. Whoop, whoop. Awesome. I have an attitude of gratitude. Very good. All right, we're going to go right into I am everything. Positive I am affirmations. I am everything, and everything is me. Awesome. I am resilient. If my mood wavers, it doesn't stay that way permanently. I allow myself to feel my feelings until I can refocus my thoughts on the positive. I do not judge myself for being human. I am resilient. Very good. All right. We're going into some of my favorite cards by Louise Hayes. These are positive thoughts. Oh, we got attitude of gratitude. I'm resilient. All right. And let's see what we have with the positive thoughts. Every thought I think is creating my future. What a beautiful card. Okay. The universe totally supports every thought I choose to think and believe. I have unlimited choices about what I think. I choose balance, harmony, and peace, and I express it in my life. Every thought I think is creating my future. How cool is that? Yeah. All right. We're going to go right into our Oracle animal cards. What animal are we today? Wow. Animal card. Awesome. All right. We are the whale today. Agility, imagination, and intuitive. Well. All right. I am the whale. Woo. You're being guided to focus on emotional stability and listen to your inner guidance. The time has come for you to jump into action, go after what you desire. Be playful and splash in the water of life, creating new waves of abundancy for you and others to enjoy. Be the whale. Awesome. Very good. All right. From here, let's go right into the Soul Journey. Soul Journey guide cards. All right. What's our Soul Journey? All right. Ooh, guilt. Denial, and envy. All right, so these are new cards, so I'm going to use my book. Okay, so guilt. Let's see. I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. No one is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. Guilt is not always rational, but if you examine it, act on it, and release it, it becomes a temporary emotion. Long-held guilty feelings are never good and will create a roadblock to self-love and happiness. Get rid of it. You must continuously scan your current emotions for any guilty feelings and bring them to the surface for analogy. Healthy guilt is a warning that action should be taken. Irritation, guilt needs to be released. All right. So I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. All right. Denial. Oh, what are we denying? All right. Denial. I acknowledge my fears, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. Learn not to bury painful emotions in the first place. Deal with them as they come and take all the time you need to utilize them without hiding them. Your soul wants to live honestly and authentically in the now. Don't hinder it by placing emotional landmines on its path. I acknowledge my fears, but I replace it with insight and awareness. So we had that guilt. Get rid of that. We have denial. I replace it with the insight of awareness and envy. All right, envy. All right. I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. Yes. You never truly know what is going on in another person's life, and with personal challenge he or she may face. So to be envious is a fool's game. Be authentic to your inner voice because only you know what it is in your best interest. If you don't follow your own path, you will have to reincarnate it in an attempt to learn your original lessons again. I am the same as everyone, but with different challenges. Envy. Awesome. That is the soul's journey. I just love these cards. All right. So from here, we're going to go into daily positive affirmations. All right. I just received these cards for a Christmas gift. And I tell you, I just love these cards. Okay, so here we go. Woo, all right. So, I believe everything and anything is possible. Okay, daily positive thoughts and affirmation. Let me read that again. I believe everything and anything is possible. Yes. Today is rich with opportunities, and I open my heart to receive them. Daily positive thoughts and affirmation. Today is rich with opportunities, and I open my heart to receive them. Yes. All right, our last one. I choose to see each obstacle I face as an opportunity to grow. Yes. Daily positive thoughts and affirmations. I choose to see each obstacle I face as an opportunity to grow. So, remember everyone, you have an attitude of gratitude for a good health and my beautiful body, for the many social groups in my life, including my family, friends, and co-workers, and for the sunshine that warms my body and soul. I am resilient. Every thought I think is creating my future. I am the well, which you're being guided to focus on emotional stability, listening to your inner guidance. The time has come for you to jump into the action and go after what you desire. Be playful and splash in the water of life, creating new waves of abundance for you and others to enjoy. We're letting go of guilt. I release any beliefs that no longer assist in my soul's growth. Denial. I acknowledge my fears, but I replace them with the insight of awareness. Envy. I am the same as everybody, but with different challenges. All right. I believe everything and anything is possible. Today is rich with opportunities. I open my heart to receive them. Yes. I choose to see each obstacle I face as an opportunity to grow. Very good. Daily positive thoughts and affirmations. Very good. Well, I hope that you have an amazing day. Remember, you are amazing, you are beautiful, and let your inner light shine. See you later. Thanks. Bye.